Hello students, today we are going to continue Science 2, lesson number 4, Environmental Management Part 2. In the previous video, we have defined ecosystem, we have studied energy pyramid, and we have studied the relation between the environment and ecosystem. When some natural factors of the environment and some artificial polluted factors harm the environment, it creates imbalance between the various factors of the environment and ultimately affect the existence of the biotic factors. Now we'll study with the help of flowchart the factors affecting the environment. Two factors affect the environment. First one is the natural factor and second man-made factors. Examples of natural factors are earthquakes, floods, tsunami, forest fires, volcanic eruptions. Example of man-made factors are deforestation, hunting, mining, agriculture activities, and pollution. At present, many environmental problems have been arisen due to the effect of various natural and artificial factors on the earth. Environmental pollution is one of those main factors. We'll define environmental pollution. Unnecessary and unacceptable change in the surrounding environment due to the natural events or human activity is called as environmental pollution. Direct or indirect changes in the physical, chemical, and biological properties of air, water, and soil, which will be harmful to the human and other living beings, is environmental pollution. Reasons for the environmental pollutions are population explosion, fast industrialization, indiscriminate use of natural resources, deforestation, unplanned urbanization. Pollution is a broad concept. Various type of pollutions like that of air, water, sound, soil, thermal, light, pollution occur around us. Ultimate adverse effect of all this on the existence of all the living organisms, and out of this environmental conservation has become the need of our air pollution. Which are the components that cause air pollution? The gases which cause air pollution are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, sulfur, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. The solid components that cause air pollutions are dust, ash, carbon, lead, and asbestos. Sources. Which are the sources of air pollution? Chemical industries and oil refineries are the main sources of air pollution. Thermal power station, paper industries, cloth mills, cement manufacturing factories also cause air pollution. Dynamites and stone crushers also add to the air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? It causes impact on human health. It seriously affects the respiratory system. The effects of air pollution are seen on both plants and animals. It also causes acid rains. What are the control measures? Tall chimneys can be installed in the factories. Improvement in the production methodology. Equipments to control the pollution are some of the control measures which we can use to control the air pollution. Water pollution. Components of water pollution. Biotic components. Algae, virus, bacteria, and parasites are the biotic components of water pollution. Abiotic factors are sand, soil, dust, floating particles, precipitates of salts, and radioactive substances. The organic components which cause water pollution are weedicides and pesticides used in agriculture. The sources of water pollution: industrial waste, domestic waste, sewage, chemicals discharged from industries, pesticides used in agriculture are the sources of water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? Epidemics of waterborne disease in human being is the major effect of water pollution. Mortality of aquatic animal, that is, it may cause the death of the aquatic animals. Eutrophication of water bodies. Eutrophication means excessive richness of nutrients in water bodies due to the runoff from the land, which cause a dense growth of plant life. What are the control measures? Measures to control the release of the effluents, laws against the release of the toxic effluents in the water bodies are some of the measures that can be used to control the water pollution. Soil pollution. Soil pollution are different in different regions. Example, near the field, inorganic components of pesticides and excess of fertilizers, heavy metals and other toxic chemicals cause soil pollution. Sources of soil pollution: industrial effluents, household toxic materials, chemical pesticides, biomedical waste, e-waste and plastic are some of the sources of soil pollution. What are the effects of soil pollution? Soil erosion, retarded growth of plants or crops, nutritional deficiency are some of the effects of soil pollution. Control measures: recycling and reusing the polluting materials, solid waste management are some of the control measures to control the soil pollution. Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution can occur due to two reasons as natural and artificial. Ultraviolet radiation and infrared radiations are the natural radiations, whereas X rays and the radiation from the atomic energy plants are artificial radiation. Some of the effects of radiation are as follow. Cancerous ulcerations occur due to the higher radiations of X rays. Tissue in the body are destroyed. Genetic changes occur. Vision is adversely affected. Need of environmental conservation. General public is not aware about the rules of the environmental conservation. There should be large scale participation of people in environment conservation. For this purpose, values like positive attitude, affection towards the environment, knowledge about it should be inculcated among the children since their childhood. This will help to make the future generation more aware about the environmental conservation and protection. So, as to achieve this, it is necessary to increase the awareness through the education. Need for environmental conservation. We need to conserve the environment to prevent the environment damage, to solve the natural and artificial problems, to reduce the impact of pollution and prevent global warming, to conserve biodiversity, to maintain the balance in nature, to prevent depletion of natural resources. Environmental conservation are social responsibility. Since existence of human, there is interrelationship between human and environment. Humans stepped on the earth long after formation of earth. Human being with the help of characters like intelligence, memory, imaginary ability, establish domination over the nature. Human utilize all the natural resources as much as possible. In an attempt to live a satisfactory life, human kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible, and this led to increase in problems. If human has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself only can conserve and improve the quality of nature. Many times, general public is unknown that its activities are harmful to the environment, thereby unknowingly many activities happen. Laws enacted about environmental conservation. Forest Conservation Act 1980. The land reserved for forest conservation has been prohibited to use for any other purpose by this law. Example: permission of central government is compulsory for mining activities. Any person who disobeys this law is entitled to imprisonment for 15 days. Environmental Conservation Act 1986. Purpose of this act is to control the pollution and punish the persons or institutes harming the environment. Any person or factory is prohibited by this act from releasing the pollutants in the atmosphere beyond a permissible limit. The person breaching this rule is entitled for 5 years imprisonment or fine up to rupees 1 lakh. National Green Tribunal has been established in 2010 for effective implementation of environment related laws. As per the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, as per the clause 49A, trading rare animals has been completely banned. As per the clause 49B, use of the articles prepared from the skin or organs of wild animals has been banned. As per the clause 49C, disclosure of stock of artifacts made from rare wild animals is compulsory. The big story of a small man. Jadhav Molai Payang is highly capable person in Assam. He was born in 1963. He was working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years. In 1979, the local social forestry department began a social afforestation project on 200 hectares of land. Mulai was one of the few forest workers who were looking after that project. Molai continued to plant the trees even after the completion of project. As a result of his continuous work of planting and caring for the trees, the barren area witnessed the forest cover of over 1,360 acres. Today, this jungle in Kokilamuk, Jorhat in Assam is the result of hard work of 30 years. He has been awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the Government of India for the unparalleled work. Now, this jungle is also known as the Molai jungle. Students, we are going to continue the next topics in the next video. Thank you.